Dude, covered. We are in the circle. We got all the snow. We are walking to the Ranger. As you can see, we got about 30 inches of snow. All right, today, hold on, man. This is, turn that down. Let's see if this boy start. Oh, she's not happy. But today, hold on. What's up, my crew? Today, what time is it? 7:30 at night. We just got a winter storm. And I didn't buy no Ford. I didn't buy, I did not buy a Ford Ranger not to have fun in the snow. So what we about to do, I got my baby Ford Ranger right here, F-O-R-D-E-E-E. I have to go slide. First, we gotta get some gas. So let me go to the gas station. If you guys are, woo! If you guys are excited for this video, man, see some slides, see some competition. I might hold a competition. We'll see who's gonna slide the best in the snow. You already know Ford Ranger gonna do it. And I got a nice wrap to show you guys, reveal it. I mean, hey, banger night. So if you guys are excited, hit that like button, smash that like button, subscribe, post notifications on. Let's go to the gas station. The roads are horrible, but it's all good. I ain't got no gas. We need to get some gas. You think I'm stopping, cuzzo? He thought he was stuck. Oh, everyone's stuck. Hey, should I help everyone in the Ranger? I don't know, man. I don't know. Man, we already got the fire. Oh, man. Hey, man. It is bad. Stay off of the road. Get him! Get him! Hey, man, we getting gas right now. Y'all can see. We're filling up the big Ranger. It is bad outside. Stay home, please, unless you got a Ranger. I'm gonna knock on wood because, you know what I mean? We get full of snow, full of gas, and full of hope. We about to go have some turn. We about to have some fun. All right, so we just got here. Let me turn down the heat real quick. It do be getting hot. They have a sign right here where we are at. No one here. I'm the first person here. And you know the Ranger don't get stuck, bro. The Ranger does not get stuck. This says, please pull forward. Oh, I'm for sure gonna pull forward. Man, we living the life, man. Oh, this is gonna, man, you know what? Let me get a test drive. Let me get a test drive. We're in two-wheel drive. We're in first gear. You know, we're just gonna test the waters out. There's no one's here yet because they can't make it here because the roads are so bad. But, you know, I'm just in two-wheel drive, just, you know. Oh. Hello, Mr. Pool. Oh yeah, this stuff is deep. This is deep. We're just sliding. Oh my God, this is gonna be fun. I want to see what other cars come. Well, we got our first victim. I just shit myself. Oh man, what is going on? Sliding, man, you been, oh, he got the one wheel. Oh, what the fuck? God damn. Hey man, watch the Ranger. Watch the Ranger. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, I smell oil and trans fluid. Get it? Oh, he got me. Look at the Rangers. Man, oh, you can't see nothing. Oh. That bitch hard.
Hell yeah.
All right, so I'm still in park. So where we're at, there's like a lot of roads, like back roads. So I'm gonna see if I can track this boy, and you know, we gonna see whatever, man. We just gonna roll. Oh. I hope no one's coming, cause I ain't stopping. Come on, get some traction, bitch. Come on. Oh yeah. You gonna see the Moto Mart mobile. Look at that. Oh, ass out. Come on. Where my force feedback at?
This ain't no Logitech, bro.
There's no one coming. I could have sworn I seen people. Ooh. Come on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, Moto Mart not scared of any poles. Not today. I don't know how wide this road is though.
you got room.
Oh yeah? It's all good, man. I'll take this bitch off-roading right now. I got 4-wheel drive. Oh yeah. Y'all better cancel school tomorrow, cause Moto Mart here today. Oh yeah, this Moto Mart. Ooh, sideways. Oh gosh. Man, we in here like swimwear. Oh yeah. Ooh. Come on, I'm trying to kick that bitch out. Come on, there you go. Good girl.
Loose as fuck.
Good girl. Hey, if he hit a pole, dog, we out.
Hey, it's right.
We are out. Keep going, bro. Keep going.
Some kind of harness.
Hey, we good, bro. Hey, don't worry about it. This is Moto Mart. Put me on, jackass. What we about to do right now, we got the big ram. We got a tow hook. Y'all seen Little Billy, so Moto Mart got to do it too. But I can't ride on the sled. Apparently, I'm too big. So I'm going to grab the rope. And he gonna drag me. We gonna see how this is. So if y'all excited for this, man, if y'all care about Moto Mart, smash that like button, cause I'm doing this for y'all. Fuck this shit. Let's get it. Nowhere to go. Hold on.
Bro.
He's covered in snow. He's
Dude, covered.
Oh shit! Oh hey! Yeah, asshole! He hit that corner.
You need this footage right here.
He hit that corner and fucking gave it the fucking beat, dog. I was holding on. I could hold on.
I didn't think you were gonna hold on for that long.
Man, Moto Mart, bro. Like the
that new iPhone S14.
Hey, I'm gonna need you to airdrop me that in like a minute.
Hell yeah.
You eat a whole face of snow.
Oh, dude, I fucking ate it, dog. Dude, so these like big ass ruts or hills, I'd go. Oh shit, that was amazing. I don't know what else to say. Alright, so after that was the craziest thing ever, man! Oh! I did that for the Mart crew, man. We got more people pulling up. I'm parked. I'm getting heated up, bro. I'm got the heat on. What we got here? We got a Jeep. Bro, look how deep the snow is. This is crazy. We only got 3 cars so far, but
Front tire and such, it's gone.
hey, let them. Oh yeah, let it eat. Yeah. Oh. Hey, watch the Ranger. Watch the Ranger. Yeah. Think he gonna let me slide it?
Hey, maybe.
I need to slide it with them lights on.
Hey, that mask though.
Hey, let me. Oh, what the hell? He got the mask on. He got. What we doing? We going tandem with the Ram? What we doing? We going tandem with the Ram. We going tandem with the Ram. Oh. Oh, baby. Yeah. There we go. Oh, this is crazy. Ew! Come on. There is no there's no way. Way, dog. He is pulling his son on the fucking back of it. Dog, look at him. He's just running. That's the whitest shit I've ever seen, dog. Hey, little man living it up though. Oh yeah, Billy. Yeah. Get it, Billy. Look at him. He's just going. Get it, Billy. Yeah. Alright, y'all. Hey, that's the end of the video. Y'all seen it, bro. We did some crazy stuff. We slid the Ranger. We did so much stuff, man. We had the Ram, we had the Jeep. You seen Moto Mart on the back, but hanging off the truck, all by a cord, man. Look at the roads, man. These roads are horrible, man. Look, man, we just moving, man. Oh my God. But hey, man, thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, man, y'all see Moto Mart. You see little Billy behind the truck on the sled, man. If y'all liked it, man, smash that like button, subscribe, post notifications on so you don't miss any more. And stay true to the micro. I'm gonna see you guys on the next one.